Hey guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. I'm back to share some of the, this month's floral dyes from Coco and Reno. So I know it's been a while. I haven't been doing very many videos, but I wanted to come on here and then and share this month's dyes along with a couple little projects that I created. So this month you get a floral set that comes with this really pretty border dye here, and then another border here, so pretty. And then you get two sets of like a nesting flower. So there's that one there, and then there's this one here that comes with 3 different sizes, so you can layer it up and create some really pretty dimensional flowers. And then this one's like a sunflower one here, and you get another little flower there, and this one here. So those are the dyes that come in this month's set. And then you also get some floral stamps. So this is the background floral stamp, and I think it's so pretty. It pretty reminds me of like fabric or something. And then this one here with individual flowers and designs here, different leaves and stuff. So this one I think would be really pretty on a vintage project or like a botanical type of project. I think I'm going to be making some tags with these. So pretty. So those are the dyes, and I'm going to share some of the tags that I created, and I think they're actually going to go on some cards. I'll be making cards with these that I created, but I used these here and made some layered flowers, and then I also used these here. So I used the crepe paper Merry Days paper collection, and some of the tags that come with that collection, and this gold paper also came in with the tag set from the Merry Days. And then I created some dimensional flowers here and layered them up, and then just used some foam dots in between the layers. And these were for like Christmas in July. For Christmas I always like to bring out my little texture snow pen and create this little snow effect on the flowers. So I used some puffy paint on these to get that little snow look. So this is one, and then I also made this one here. So this really pretty wreath here comes from the tag pack as well, and then I just added twine. And this one here, it's got the 3 layers. I didn't change up the paper, so it's a little hard to see, but it does have the 3 layers using this one here. And then some leaves. I cut these leaves using another dye that I have in my stash from another set, and then just same thing, added the little snow texture there and the little bling center. So there's that one. And then this one here, I used a tag and then one of these dimensional little layered flowers, leaf, and another, so both of these tags, all the tags basically came from that tag pack, tag ephemera pack. And then I just added some little beads here and a little eyelet there. So those are my little tags that I created, and I do get asked quite a bit what I use. So this is the puffy paint that I use. I don't know if it comes in this packaging anymore, but I think it's still available. And or I know they sell like texture paste and even like a paint pen that also puffs up like this. And then to get it to really puff up, I apply it, and then I wait a little bit for it to get a little bit dry, and then I just use a heat gun, and it makes it like really puff up. So if you want to give that a try. But I will link Coco and Reno's website in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And again, these are the dies and stamps for the month of July. So hope you enjoyed taking a look at these, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.